Hey guys, welcome back to David's channel, and in this video I will show you how to transfer tickets from Ticketmaster. So let us now discuss how to ticket transfer. So first we want to define it first. So what is ticket transfer? Ticket transfer lets you send some or all tickets from your orders to your friends or family. The recipient gets their own Ticketmaster account with the ticket securely delivered. No need to meet in person or exchange paper tickets. So how do you transfer tickets? So here's the real deal. You want to open the Ticketmaster app. So this is via app and log into your account and then tap My Events at the bottom. Select the event you want to transfer tickets for and then tap Transfer. Select the specific tickets you want to send and then enter the recipient's name, email or phone number or other prompts that you will need to fill out. Next is tap send and the recipient gets a notification and must accept the transfer in their Ticketmaster account. So if you want to do it via website on your desktop or mobile browser, you want to go and sign in at ticketmaster.com, which is this one right here, and go to sign in or register. After that, go to your My Events and then choose the event and then click Transfer Tickets. Select which tickets to send and then enter recipient's details. Confirm and send, and there you have it. You have your ticket transferred to your friends or family. And that is all on how to transfer tickets in 2025.